Good day, friends. Today I'm going to introduce to you my first lesson in the Simplimania education series. And today I'll be introducing you to the Simplimania condensed multiplication methods for two-digit numbers. And before we actually go into this method, we'll first take a review of the existing method of multiplying two-digit numbers. Take, for example, we are being asked to multiply 25 by 35. Multiplying 25 by 35, we'll simply write it in this form. And the first thing we'll do is we say 5 times 5 will give us 25. We'll write down 5. We'll take 2. We say 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is going to give us 12. Then we'll now say 3 times 5 is going to give us 15. We'll write down 5. We'll take 1. We say 3 times 2 is going to give us 6 plus 1 is going to give us 7. So we'll write down 7. And at the end of the day, we'll add this intermediate row. 5 plus 0 will give us 5. 2 plus 5 is going to give us 7. 1 plus 7 is going to give us 8, giving us 875. But the problem with this method is it's quite tedious and has a long process of solving the multiplication. Because of that, I've introduced a shorter method as a simpler method to actually multiply 25 and 35. What we simply do is to eliminate this intermediate row because it's not necessary. It's not necessary. It's not necessary. The intermediate row is actually not necessary. And I'm going to introduce you on a very simple way of multiplying any two-digit numbers without the intermediate row. And this method is simply the Simplimania method. And I'm going to actually introduce you into this Simplimania method in just 3 simple steps. Take, for example, we are asked to multiply 36 and 24. After writing it out in this form, the first step is to multiply this particular side. So we say 4 times 6 is going to give us 24. We write down 4. We take 2. Then we'll cross multiply 4 and 3 to give us 4 times 3 will give us 12. Then we'll multiply this again. 2 times 6 is going to give us 12. So we'll now add this cross multiplication, which is 12 plus 12 will give us 24, plus 2 will give us 26. So we'll write down 6, we take 2. Then finally, we'll now cross multiply this last one. Now multiply this last one. We say 2 times 3 is going to give us 6 plus 2 is going to give us 8. So in 3 simple steps, this is the first step, this is the second step, and finally this is the third step. We're going to do simple multiplication of any two-digit numbers using that same principle on 78 by 82. After writing it out in this format, we'll say 2 times 8 is going to give us 16. We'll write down 6. We'll take 1. Then we'll cross multiply. 2 times 7 is going to give us 14. 8 times 8 is going to give us 64. We simply say 64 plus 14 is going to give us 78. 78 plus 1 is going to give us 79. We write down 9. We take 7. Then finally, we say 8 times 7 is going to give us 56. 56 plus 7 is going to give us 63. So 78 by 82 is going to give us 6,396. And finally, my example 3 is to multiply the largest two-digit numbers you can ever have, which is 99 times 99. Writing it out in this format, we'll have 9 times 9 will give us 81. So write down 1, take 8. Then we'll cross multiply this. 9 times 9 is going to give us 81 plus 9 times 9, which is another 81, giving us 81 plus 81 will give us 162 plus 8 will give us 170. So we write down 0, we take 17. Then finally, we say 9 times 9 is going to give us 81. 81 plus 17 will give us 98. So 99 times 99 is going to give us 9,801. This method, as you can see, is very easy to implement. In just 3 simple steps, you'll be able to multiply it without the intermediate row. So you can teach this method to your sons, to your daughters, to your brothers, to your sisters, to your nephews, and your niece, and see them improve in their mathematical skill and their memory retention. Thank you.